If everything was taken away from you today, what would you do to build it back better? What action items would you take tomorrow if you had to rebuild this?
Well, if that literally happened tomorrow, the first thing that I would be checking on is making sure both my business partners were in my same camp. That has been the mix of what the three of us bring to the table. I think is part of if we have a superpower as an organization, it is the collective of the three of us. Mm-hmm. We're very, very different. And look, tactically, in terms of what are the steps of what you need, if it was all taken away from me tomorrow, but I still had the memory and knowledge of what we had done, a lot of work, but probably would be cheaper and much faster, right? Because I would already know what the end in mind looks like. And a lot of the decisions that would be made would be the same conclusive decisions that we made. Some we had to get to iteratively. I would avoid all that iteration. Right? Go right to, would absolutely own our own technology from start to finish, would know exactly how to go to capital markets. And again, assuming I could leverage the history that we had in the past as track record, would know exactly how to capitalize the business, would know what ratio of kind of on balance sheet and off balance sheet I want, would know how much capital if I didn't have it, because presumably I've lost it, to bring in equity to support this. So that stuff, while a lot of work and would take probably more time than most entrepreneurs, always underestimate the time a little bit, would know exactly how to do that. What would be really difficult to replace would be again the collective kind of experience and knowledge that the three of us, and look, there are a lot of other people in that I would want to hopefully would look around me and say, okay, we're all in the same boat, let's go do this, again. Yeah, so that's how I would answer that. The first thing I would be searching for was to find out if my two shipmates were also in the same position.
If you enjoyed this video, please share it. To make sure you never miss an episode, please subscribe.